Okay. Can we normalize something? I mean, I truly do not understand what is the obsession of people over internet to leave a negative remark or a comment over somebody's post or reel. I mean, what benefit are you getting? I would really like to know, because there should be a purpose to anything that you do in life, right? So, are you getting benefited in any ways? Is the government paying you or somebody else paying you to do this? I mean, sir, madam, I know that you are insecure about your own life, but you do not have to project your insecurity on someone else's growth. I mean, what do you even know about their lives? You do not know their life, you do not know their struggle, you haven't walked into their shoes. All you know is just their Instagram handle and your audacity to leave that negative comment. I mean, seriously, go get some real job done, man. I know you aren't successful yet. That's why you're insecure. Go get a job. Go get something done. Because there is enough success for everyone on the table. It's not a single chair thing. If they are successful, you can be successful too at the same time. Go chase that success. And in spite of being successful, if you're feeling insecure and still feel the same way, let me tell you one thing, scroll up. Scroll up. If you do not like that post, scroll up. If you do not like that reel, scroll up. If you do not like that person, scroll up. It wouldn't take you even a fraction of second. Just like the duty वाले आंटी said, नहीं पसंद आता तो स्क्रॉल कर डालो, ऊपर कर डालो, उनके फॉलोअर्स देख लेते. You are not invited, bro. Your opinion is not asked. So don't give it freely. Save that. And if you cannot still stay kind and humble, if you cannot leave a constructive criticism or a positive comment on someone's post or someone's success, let me tell you something. There is something called silence that exists. I know you might haven't heard about it, but there is something called silence which is very powerful. You can just use that next time because it's completely free. So next time, whenever you feel like leaving that negative comment, use this thing instead. Bye.